wanted to shoot a real quick preview video of some of the items I will have for sale tonight. Gina and I have our Christmas in July sale. It will be at 7 Eastern on Gina's channel. If you don't follow her, you need to. She is Vintage DIGS. And these are just some of the items that will be available tonight. Both of us are super excited to be doing this Christmas in July sale. And we both have accumulated quite a few items for you guys. I do have a selection of Homeco figurines back here. I've got some kitties in a stocking, mice in a stocking. These adorable figurines of mice with the Christmas tree and with the snowman. I have this really cute bell. I have an Nesco basket here, and it does have actual fabric with holly on it. It is fine. It's bone china. I don't know why I can't talk this morning. I do have this St. Nicholas music box, this vintage nativity. I have some Christmas cards. I have two Cupid angels there, Cupid or angel ornaments there. Here is another Christmas card. I have this really pretty crystal angel dish. I love these guys. I have two vintage angel candles. I have this cute Santa mug. I have a really cute tin back there with cats on it. I have some beeswax candles, some ornaments. This is so pretty, guys. This is Lefton, and this is a candy dish, and it's an excellent shape. I have a cute kitty ornament. I have an Anneli doll. It's Santa skiing, which I think is awesome. I have this Christmas carols book, and I have a couple of miscellaneous ornaments back here as well. The silver looking one is a mouse. It's very unique. I've never seen one like it. I believe it's painted to look like it's metal, but I'm not sure. It's just kind of crazy. I kind of like it. And then I do have this really pretty tray. So I hope you guys can make it tonight. It's going to be a lot of fun. Again, we are super excited about it. If you have any questions, you can always email me at calypsoantiques@gmail.com. Okay, guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful Tuesday, and we hope to see you tonight. Bye.